learning portal is very helpful. The child can choose according to the level they want to try the mind math on, and it goes perfectly with their pace.
Hi, my name is Sangeeta and I'm mother of two kids who are aged 8 years and 12 years. Both my kids have been going with doing Abacus with Guruscool from the age of 6 years old. As a parent, I'm very happy about Guruscool for many reasons.
School teachers, I do not want to specifically mention individual name, but they all are very good and very patient and kids friendly. How we go to hotel that we always ask like homely style food like that, they always have motherly approach and they have a lot of patience to deal with.
I'll recommend every parent to assist the child to use the LMS portal.